Hello बच्चों, let us read the question first. Bone is mainly composed of option A iron and phosphorus, option B sulfur and calcium, option C calcium and phosphorus और option D calcium and magnesium. So इस particular question में हम जो concept use करेंगे that will be composition of bones. So basically जो bones हैं these are included in skeletal connective tissue and moreover जो bones होते हैं इनका जो ground substance है that is hard and pliable because इनकी composition में जो fibers present होते हैं that are specifically collagen fibers because जो collagen fibers होते हैं they are non-elastic and provide strength to bones whereas on the other hand जो elastic fibers होते हैं they are responsible for providing elasticity जो कि present होते हैं in cartilage जो help करते हैं in providing flexibility to the cartilage. Continuing जो bones का matrix होता है it can be further divided as organic and inorganic. So bones के अंदर जो majority of proportion होता है that is inorganic which constitute about 60 to 70% whereas जो organic होता है it is only 30 to 40% and वो substances जो include करे जाते हैं in the organic substance are as follows. Firstly is the protein and specifically जो protein present होता है in the bones that is named as osine. Secondly, the fibers, and thirdly are the mucopolysaccharides. Whereas in the inorganic जो compounds देखने को मिलते हैं that are calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate, calcium hydroxide and fluoride ions. So hence we can conclude that कि जो bones होते हैं they are rich in calcium salts, calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate, calcium hydroxide. So now if we look back to the options, so इस particular question में हमें identify करना था कि जो bones होते हैं they are mainly composed of, that means जो उनका ground substance होता है वो mainly किन compounds को include करता है. And जैसा कि हमने देखा कि जो bones होते हैं they are rich in calcium and altogether phosphorus की presence भी देखने को मिलती है in the matrix of bones. Hence the correct answer is option C, calcium and phosphorus. So I hope you must have understood it well. All the best.